Hello everybody, welcome back, and today as well we have a new video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually change currency in Splitwise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and this without any further delay we will simply start our video for the matter. So what we're exactly going to do is we're going to go ahead, open up our Splitwise app. Once we have done so, this is basically going to look like in the home page, which will start with our friends option given below, right? So if we want to change our currency to the way we created our account before, and we would like to change it for our transactions purpose or whatever the cause is, so for that matter we're going to go ahead, tap on this account option that is given on below right corner of your screen. Once you have tap, so you will be able to find all kind of settings, include your account's information on top with your email address. Go ahead, tap on that section, and then this will simply open up all kind of information and editing option regarding them. Then what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this, default currency is NPR and language English. So we're gonna change our currency. We can tap on this drop down, this menu icons, this icons given over here. Once we have tapped, so now we can see all kinds of currency available for us to change, currency options available for us to change to. Let's say we will change it to KRW, and now it's changed. If you want to change it back, we're gonna come over here and we can change it like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.